What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Treeman TV, and welcome back to the newest episode of the car vlog series. As I promised you guys, today we are back at the track for day one of Autocross, or event one, I should say. And as you can see, the weather is not the greatest. We got a rainy day of Autocross ahead of us, but we just finished getting the car all registered. The driver's meeting's here in like 20 minutes, so let's roll the intro. I'll take you guys on a walk around and show you the cars that are here so far, and then we will catch you when I'm getting ready to do a lap, or if someone would like to be interviewed or show off their car, be sure to keep it tuned here. Alright, you guys, we just got done with the driver's meeting. Your boy is going to be in the afternoon heat, so the second heat of cars going around the track. Until then, I have been given the responsibility of being a spotter, which means I get to be up here in the tower right there with this walkie, and letting people know if people are going off the track and all that kind of good stuff. So until I'm racing, I'll be hanging out in the spotting tower.
I hope good whenever Julian's off the track. Julian's clear. Spotter one good?
Spotter one good. Alright, you guys, so they just finished up the first set of runs, the morning runs. I am in the afternoon heat, so after lunch we are going to be on the track in the WRX. Right now I am just sitting in it, warming up, because I was up in the spotter's tower during the whole set of morning runs, as you guys got to see, making sure people didn't go off track and anything like that. And they went the right way. That was the biggest thing, is going the right way, which is also the biggest thing I'm nervous about when I go around the track. So yeah, now I'm just sitting in my car with the heater on, warming back up, because it's cold and it's wet out there. But yeah, I'm gonna grab some lunch and walk around, maybe film some more B-roll of the cars, see if I got anybody that wants to do any talking. We've had some problems with the timing technology out there, so we've been going old school with a stopwatch lately, but they're also trying to get that fixed. The rain is just causing all kind of problems right now. It even caused my GoPro to shut off, think the battery was dead, but GoPro's battery was at 50%. So now that we're in the car, that shouldn't be a problem, and I'll catch you guys here in a few. Some of the cars for you guys. Most of those cars have already gone today. That's the rest of the car. Got a nice Audi there. Another Audi. Getting them back. Yeah, that's right. Now, let's go get some food. 17 SM. Then we've got 17 SM. 17 SM. Had to give them the call sign in the class for my car. Now that we gave them that, I can go back to studying for that. So I make sure I go the right way around the track. That is definitely the biggest concern of mine right now. Going the right way around the track. It looks like he just gave me a clear signal, so the first guy is gonna go. I have to remember to get back into the line every time too, and just slow down after I cross the finish, but before I pit. 54.9 is our first time, ladies and gentlemen. I could probably do faster than that. That was just our feeling pace lap. So yeah, I think that was pretty good for our first lap. I was worried for nothing, essentially. Ladies and gentlemen, you might wonder what I do to help pass the time while I'm sitting here waiting on the grid to go again. And today, I brought Volume 1 of Jujutsu Kaisen with me to read while I'm sitting here on the grid. So, there's manga. I've seen all of Jujutsu Kaisen, but I want to start getting into the manga. So, I figured, what a better time to start than while I'm waiting to go around my next lap at the grid. I don't think I'm leaking oil like they thought, but...
Yeah, you can go shut your car off, dude, for a minute, because I don't know what's going on.
The timer thing not working again?
Yeah.
Technical difficulties, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I've got a moment. I'd like to remind you all to subscribe and leave a like on the video if you want to see more car content here on Tree Man TV. That's a good lap. I might be able to get under 50 today if I can keep this up. Come to full stop. Almost forgot. Track etiquette. That's how it is. Alright.
Give it a second. Hold on.
Nope.
He's going to get off the track.
Okay.
Now you're good to go.
Right on. Thank you. Too fast, but it worked out in my favor because I took more time off my time. 51.44 is our new best, everybody. Everybody, yeah. Alright, I'm getting the hang of this course layout now. I might be able to get under 50 today.
3 more days of rain and then we go right into summer.
Woo! Hopefully next time we're out here then it'll be sunny.
It's going to be 90 or so this weekend with the drift.
Oh wow. Right.
Freaking
I'm sure the drifters will love it.
yes. All right, when you're ready.
All right. Second off. I didn't get under 50, but I took the second off of it. Now I'm at 50 even. That's something, chat. That is truly something. It means I'm getting faster every time though. So that is all that's important. Alright you guys, we're pulling up to the start line for our final run of the day. Last chance to try to crack 50 seconds.
The air freshener.
Thank you. Chris was like, man, that thing would bug me all day.
48.080.
All right, here we go. Just waiting for the green flag. Kept all four on though. That's all that matters. I did not break 50 seconds today, ladies and gentlemen. Unlucky. Don't worry, there's always tomorrow and then the next several events. That is my last lap around the track though, so I do not get to enter pit lane again. I have got to go and park it somewhere over here. Let's see, where's a good spot to park it? I'll park it right next to Sharice. Thank you all so much for watching today's episode of the car vlog. That's pretty much all the content I've got for you guys. You might see me in a quick outro video back in the studio. Otherwise, as always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content here on Treeman TV. This is event 1 of the whole season of Autocross, so there's going to be plenty more Autocross content coming your way, and you're not going to want to miss it. Until then, this is Treeman signing off. Peace!